Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I want to explain the law of attraction versus the law of vibration, and in an effort to tell you how you can manifest a lot faster. So if you're trying to use the law of attraction to attract what you want, whether that's something spiritual, whether that's a relationship, or whether that's something material, I've got a way that will speed that up. So first thing I would say before we get into the video, do check out the link below. It will take you through to this page if you're interested in a complete step-by-step guide on how to use the law of attraction, and it takes you through daily step-by-step and how to see real results. Do check out the guide. It's totally free. It's a guide that I wrote myself, and you'll be able to see what I managed to manifest. There's one specific thing that I was aiming for, and I've noted it all down and exactly what I did. So do try that. It's totally free, and there's nothing in there that's complicated or nothing. It will just cost you 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day. So do check it out. Let me know what you think. That is in the link in the description. Okay, so back to the video. What I want to do in this video, my main aim is to help you manifest faster, and one of the ways that you can do that is by understanding the law of attraction versus the law of vibration. Now, I have heard that spoken about a lot. One of the best teachers of this is Neville Goddard. You can check out his books yourself, really, really good. And that's where I first read about this. But also Bob Proctor, that you probably know. Bob, I love his teachings and his message and so on. And he explains it very well as well. So what I wanted to do is bring up Bob's site and just walk you through this. So the main thing is, and then I'll tell you how to use it. So this is the main thing that you have to remember with the law of attraction. When you're trying to use the law of attraction, people focus on this bit, okay? The law of attraction, and that's when you use your thoughts and feelings to dictate what you attract into your life and build pictures in your mind and so on. So you focus on what you want and you think about what you want and you say affirmations and all of that stuff. But the most important thing, or they work hand in hand, but the primary law, if you're looking at these as laws, is the law of vibration. And that is, the law of vibration states that everything in the universe is in a constant state of movement. We refer to these movements as vibrations. The only difference between one object and another is the rate of its vibration. Even solid objects that we perceive as static, such as cement or a desk, are vibrating at a slow speed, and as it moves up, it would become like, so you could put your hand through it, like the difference between solid, water and gas, okay? And here's the main thing to understand. Our thoughts, like everything in the universe, are energy, and they vibrate at different frequencies depending on the nature of the thought. Our thoughts are cosmic waves that are so powerful that they penetrate all space and time, and our thoughts and feelings control the vibration of our body. Okay, so the main thing that I want to impart to you in this video is the law of vibration is your resonance, what you are now. So one of the best things that you can do in a practical way if you want to attract something to you is to understand that if you are visualizing and if you are saying affirmations and if you're writing down what you'd like to attract and doing all of these physical exercises, but you are not particularly vibrating or in a resonance to attract that, you would just build up more of the same. Okay, so one of the best things that you can do to use this in a practical nature is try this. Before you try and attract anything and do your law of attraction exercises and so on, I mean, you can go through the guide in the description if you want help with using the law of attraction. Before you do any of that though, write your list of what you'd like to attract and think about it in your mind and really visualize it. One of the things that you can do to up your vibration straight away is gratitude. And that just means spend 10-20 minutes before you do your law of attraction exercises and manifestation techniques. Before you do any of that, get yourself into a state of gratitude. And that means being really thankful for what you already have. So the phone you're watching this on, the computer you're watching this on, the chair you're sat in, the coffee you're drinking, and so on. Okay, so there's so many things that we've got that we take for granted, that if you just not just think about them, but really build that feeling that you're so grateful and that we have so much to be thankful for, even before we ask for anything else, then when you do your law of attraction stuff and exercises and so on, you will notice far quicker results because you are in a better vibrational state to attract the things that you want. And you can also use that gratitude. I recommend doing it as many times as possible throughout the day. One of the easiest ways to do it, if you've got life going on and it's all difficult and getting you down, one of the easiest ways of doing it is just to take 10 minutes, 15 minutes out of the day, a few times a day, and just practice gratitude. And that will make sure that your resonance is in the right place. And that also will help you if the law of attraction isn't working for you. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. Do subscribe if you're interested in the law of attraction. I've got lots more coming for you. Check out your free guide below and it will really help you, and I will see you in the next one. I hope that explains. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the law of vibration versus the law of attraction, and I'll tell you my understanding of it based on Neville Goddard, Bob Proctor, Napoleon Hill, Esther Hicks, and so on. Okay, so lots of law of attraction authors out there, and I'll tell you my take and how I've used it as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Do get your free guide, and I'll see you in the next one.